Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Electra. If you're new here, this channel is all about electrical engineering, automation, and circuit design. So if you're into that, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. In today's video, we'll be creating a forward-reverse power diagram in AutoCAD Electrical step by step. Let's jump right in. First, let's open AutoCAD Electrical and create a new project. Click on New Project, give it a name, let's say Forward-Reverse Circuit, and hit OK. Now, let's set up the wiring. Go to Multiple Bus and change the spacing as needed. We'll start by creating a horizontal bus bar. Just select horizontal, adjust the placement, and next, let's define our wire types. Head over to Create Wire Type. You'll see a list of existing wire types, but we'll add new ones for clarity. Scroll down to the last column and click Add. First, let's name it Red. Set the size to 16 Aruban florins and choose a red color. Now, add another one named Yellow, again 16 AWG, and set it to yellow. Lastly, add Blue. Set the size to 16 Aruban florins and select a blue color. Click OK and our custom wires are set. Now, go to Options, change the wire type, and assign the newly created colors one by one. With that done, it's time to add the vertical bus bars and connect them to the horizontal one. Now, let's add the essential components for our forward-reverse power. First, MCCB molded case circuit breaker. This will be our main power breaker. Select it from the component list and place it at the top. Next, add two contactors KMM1 and KMM2, one for forward and one for reverse. These will control the motor's direction. Add an overload relay, OLR. This protects the motor from overheating and overcurrent situation. Finally, place a 3-phase motor, which will be controlled by our circuit. Now let's wire them up. Connect the MCCB output to both contactors. Then connect the overload relay in series with the motor. Use the red, yellow, and blue wires to represent the 3-phase power supply. Also ensure the correct interlocking connections between the two contactors so they don't turn on at the same time. Once everything is wired correctly, let's double check with the lookup table to verify our components. If everything looks good, we're all set. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Electra for more automation and electrical content. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you in the next one. Keep learning, keep innovating.